GoDaddy is one of the biggest names in web hosting and website software, but before you buy, there are some important things you need to know. You've probably seen the ads, heard the hype, but is it the right option for your business or personal website? Let's dive into the 12 key points you should consider before making a decision. The first thing to know is that GoDaddy's pricing isn't as straightforward as it might seem. Their initial promotional prices are attractive, but once the first term ends, renewal rates can jump significantly. This is important because it could impact your budget in the long run. Many competitors, like Bluehost or HostGator, also have similar pricing strategies, so it's essential to compare the long-term costs. Next, GoDaddy offers a wide range of products, from domain registration to email and marketing tools, but not all of them are necessarily the best in each category. For example, while their web hosting plans are decent, they may not be as feature-rich or as fast as other providers in the market. Competitors like SiteGround often outperform GoDaddy in terms of speed and uptime. The third thing to consider is GoDaddy's customer support. While they do offer 24/7 support, many users have reported mixed experiences. Some have praised their helpfulness, while others feel the service can be slow or frustrating. If customer support is crucial to you, it might be worth checking reviews or trying their support yourself before committing. Other providers like A2 Hosting are known for faster, more reliable customer service. Now let's talk about the ease of use. GoDaddy's user interface isn't always the most intuitive. It's functional, but it can feel a little overwhelming for beginners. Competitors like Wix or Squarespace provide simpler drag-and-drop website builders that are easier for those with little technical experience. The fifth thing to note is GoDaddy's scalability. They offer a variety of hosting plans, from shared hosting to VPS and dedicated servers. This means that as your site grows, you have options to upgrade without having to leave GoDaddy's ecosystem. However, if you're expecting very high traffic, it might be worth considering alternatives like WP Engine, which specialize in high-performance WordPress hosting. Next up, GoDaddy does provide a website builder, but it's not the most advanced option out there. While it's simple to use, it lacks some of the advanced design flexibility that platforms like WordPress or Shopify offer. If you're planning to build a highly customizable website, you may find GoDaddy's builder limiting. The seventh point is security. GoDaddy offers strong security features, including SSL certificates, site backups, and DDoS protection. However, many other hosting providers, like SiteGround or DreamHost, provide even more comprehensive security packages at similar or even lower price points. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that GoDaddy's uptime is generally reliable but can fluctuate. While they boast a 99.9% uptime guarantee, some users have reported occasional downtime. This could impact the reliability of your site, especially if uptime is critical for your business. Hosting providers like Hostinger are known for offering more consistent uptime. Another important factor is their marketing tools. GoDaddy offers a range of marketing and SEO tools, which is great if you want everything in one place. However, these tools can be basic compared to dedicated platforms like SEMrush or Moz. If you're serious about SEO, it might be better to pair GoDaddy with a more specialized tool. The 10th thing is the performance of GoDaddy's hosting. While GoDaddy provides decent speeds, they might not be as fast as other services like SiteGround or Kinsta. Speed is an essential factor, especially if you're aiming for higher Google rankings or providing a smooth user experience. The 11th thing is that GoDaddy doesn't offer free website migrations. If you're transferring your site from another provider, this could be a deal breaker for many. Other hosts like Bluehost or DreamHost offer free site migration, making the process much easier and more affordable. And finally, GoDaddy's refund policy is relatively standard. If you cancel within 30 days, you can get a full refund on most plans. But if you go beyond that, you'll have to deal with prorated refunds, which may not be as favorable as some competitors' policies. GoDaddy can be a solid choice for many, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one platform with easy domain management. But if you're after a better overall experience with better pricing, performance, and customer support, there are alternatives worth exploring. We recommend